how to reset Netflix recommendations. Hi, everybody, welcome back. In order to do so, you can follow up this simple step by step guide. So, first of all, you can head over to Netflix.com or Netflix application and log in into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you can locate up your profile in the top right corner usually. So, just go ahead and tap on your profile. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, you should be finding some profiles, including that option of account from a small menu. So, go ahead and locate it up and tap on it, click on it. And once clicked on it, your account, everything appears like all your information, including that different options. So you can scroll down and look for profile and parental controls and go ahead and click on one of the profile that you would like to reset the recommendations for. So just go ahead and drop it down. And once you drop it down there, you should be finding an option of viewing activity. So go ahead and locate it up, click on view, and here it will show the all activity for that particular account. So all you gotta do is you need to go ahead and hide each of the activity. So right beside each activity, we should be finding a hide icon. So you can find it right beside the report a problem. Just go ahead and click on it and hide. Otherwise, you can scroll down and you should be finding a hide all option. You can hide each of them all at once. And once that is done, your recommendation should be reset on Netflix. So this is it. You may have also followed the same process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.